Hello, my name is Arnold, and I'm in a group with Gideon. So I'm the one who is going to do on this video to show you what to do. This project is the full stack application that analyzes the real world problem, like the case study of the New York City taxi trip, where we take the information, we process the raw taxi trip data, and we turn into interactive visualization on dashboard so that it can be easy to interpret and go through them. And here, first of all, we need to install the requirement by pip install or requirement so that you can run the environment. So in this project, we use backend and frontend. In the backend, we use Python, Flask as the framework, and SQLite. But on the front end, we use HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Normally, the chat.js is in script. This code script.js, so I want to see it. So first of all, we can move on the process.py. Here we have two parts. The first part is for haversine distance formula, which calculate the shortest distance between 2 points on the circumference or on the circular form. Like you know that the Earth is globe, so we use this haversine. So simply like the code formula. Here we check if the data are available, and if not, this is for coordinates, the longitude and latitude. If not, return 0. And also we need to change these coordinates into readable format. Like you know that all of them, they are recorded in degrees. The latitude and longitude are recorded in degrees, and we convert them into radians. And here is the formula of the haversine formula. Here is for where we have the Earth distance so that we can use it as the reference. And on this part, we have the outliers, which simply here it detects the statistical outliers of the trip duration by first sampling a small set of the input data. Ensure the high performance of right dataset. You know that that trend of SSV5, we have too many information, so we need to ensure that we filter them correctly. And finally, we have the process part. This is for processing and cleaning the taxi trip data. So that on the right side, simply here we have the codes for processing them and cleaning them after we filter them. After we return this, filter them. So we can move on the scripts to show you about the charts. We use two forms of charts. The bar chart here with 4 columns for the one in the morning, afternoon, evening, and the night. And we have also the other part of the chart. Simply this in the morning is for checking the time. And also here for the one called donut, which is almost like the pie chart, the one in circular form. So let's run the server part so that we can see the front end in Python server py. Okay, we put the default on the course 5,000, so you can open it. can here check this is a front end. We have total trips, the average duration of time, the average distance, even the time of the dataset we are providing, meaning providing from the one from January to June. And here we have the four bar I was talking about, and this is the donut chart. And here is the table format of information, trip ID, pickup time, duration, distance, the speed. Here the duration is converted into minutes. So we can check if our filters are working great. Like, for example, we want the morning one. You see here on the table, we name the morning trips. Move on to the part of the windows. Like on about the charts, here it simply shows the chart for whole day, this distance, the minimum, short of medium or long trips. You can also check for like the median trips to see. You see the change on this part, even on this one. So on the medium, we have the one from the morning, but most of them the afternoon, as you see here. And also we can check on the vendor part, like for example, choose vendor 2. You see here on the part of vendor, we have only the part of vendor 2. And this vendor 2, most of the trips we do it in the afternoon. So thank you. That was a presentation. Me and my colleague, Jedeo, the one in this group. Okay, thank you.